Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, and if you're new, please make sure you hit that red rectangle button, which is down below right here, followed by the post notification bell, so it notifies you every time I drop a video. And if you're a return subscriber, hey, thank you for joining me. Please continue to subscribe because I got lots more for you. Okay, I feel like at the end there I keep switching it up. I don't know. So in today's video, this is long overdue. I know half of you already know how to do all this and all, but I'm not gonna let this stop me from doing this video because I've been wanting to do it, and I'm able to do it now because I'm gonna be coming very busy starting next week and the following month, and following month is November. December I might be hella busy too, so I'm just gonna get this video out because I keep forgetting. No, I didn't forget. I was supposed to do actually another video today, but then when I was looking through my old videos, like one of the, I call it old, it's not old, one of my videos for VidCon or whatever, one of the videos I made, I said I was going to make these videos, and I was like, shoot, I was forgetting this one, so let me do this one first before I do the other ones. Well, if I get a chance to do the other one, but the other ones I really need to do, but this one needs to get jumped in first. Okay, I'm just talking. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys about SEO. If you don't know what SEO means, SEO meaning search engine optimization. So search engine optimization helps you with titles. A lot of people do this. I don't do this. I'm not gonna let it stress me. They say that if that is not the title that is ranking #1, don't use it and move on and continue finding the best title for it. People spend days, hours, months just to find the best title. If I cannot find the best title, I am not going to stress myself. I'm going to keep it moving because I'm not stressing myself. And when I make my titles, I make it straight to the point, because you never know what if somebody's searching up that title. Yes, not everybody thinks like you, but there is somebody there that actually thinks like you and actually is going to type in the title. And you linking that title into the tag is obviously going to search up. Don't give up, because they say when you give up, that's it. You're not even trying, because the more you continue to do stuff, one day it's going to pick up. Have that faith. Just because they say, oh, that is not the perfect title, then forget it. Don't do it. Move on. I'm not stressing myself and sitting there. I have a schedule. I'm not going to be like, oh, this wasn't the best title. Okay, crop the video. I'm not doing it. And then influencers who know how to use this tool are saying, oh, before you do a video, search for the best title for it and then go with it. If the title doesn't match, then don't use it. Again, I am not stressing myself, because you putting in that title, what if that is the actual title and it just hasn't registered in their system? Then what? I'm sorry, this is like a rant video in the beginning, but I'm not gonna stress myself. I'm letting you guys know, whoever's watching this, don't stress yourself for titles. If you can't find it, move on. Use that title you think that is best, and then later you could switch it. It's always good. You could always switch out your titles. You know that, right? You could always switch out your tags too. Why stress yourself? But all I'm saying is use this tool to help guide you. That's all. I'm not saying stress yourself just to find the best titles or whatever. Okay, I'm just talking, but I hope you get what I'm saying. Okay, so this search engine tool I'm telling you about, it's like an extension. I'm going to tell you about one of them. One of them I'm going to tell you about is Tubebuddy. So Tubebuddy, I'm going to screen record, because if I don't screen record, let's say I'm searching about, I just had something in my mind. Okay, let's say I type in SEO, right, as a topic. Make sure you download the Tubebuddy on the Google Chrome. Let me finish this, finish the other one, and then explain to you why it's best to download on the Google Chrome. Let me get into this because my mind is just... So, right here, it says SEO tutorial. It's giving you most tags used. Let's see if it's ranked. It's probably not ranked, is it? It says poor. So right here, as you can see, it's telling me the search volume is excellent. It tells me that everybody who searches for this specific title, the name of it, SEO, it's about 7.12 million. A lot of people in groups that I'm in, like SEO groups, they were telling me that what is the difference? Like, it has the best search tool, but yet the ranking is not high. Should they still use it? And I'm like, that's a good question. I'll probably still use it because it has a strong titles and all. But yeah, so right here, as you can see, it says search volume excellence 7.12 million, like I already told you. Search per month, searches per month, it doesn't even really say, I don't know. Competition, it says poor. So when it's in the red line, that means no. You want to always try to get the green, the darker green, not the light green. Then it says overall unweighted. Click here for the weight. It says poor. I don't know why it says click here. So what happens when you click? Oh, it shows you more into depth. So it says, although this key search is searched very often, it is bad to target. It is bad to target because it is extremely competitive and hard to rank for. So they're saying it's a lot of competition with it, so don't use it. I still use it depending on, like, you know. This number represents how well optimized the top ranked videos are searched. If they are not optimized well, it provides you with opportunities to break in, blah blah blah. Okay, so it says number of videos searched in results. It says 8.9 million, and then that's monthly searches. Number of monthly searches, this is just estimated, which is a 7.12 million. Then I could upgrade to see more, but I ain't doing that. And then it says weighted, and it says before upgraded, after upgraded. So I don't need to, oh, you need to be upgraded for that. I'm not upgrading it. Then it says web searches, video topics. So it says how CEO. I didn't even know about this, to be honest. It says how CEO works. So I could type that in, and then these are the tags right here. It says search engine optimization, like I told you. SEO for beginners. I could just use that. It says video tags. So I could use one of these three, as you see. I could use one of these three as a title, but I don't want to use that as a title. So I like this one. It says how CEO works. I never knew you could do that until I'm just showing you, because I don't use, what is it called, SEO that much, because when I'm doing it, it's just too much for me. So I just do whatever and then come up with the tags. Y'all will know what I'm talking about after. So it says it's fair. So it's giving me 38. It's 38 out of 100. So it says the search volume is on the, I don't know, up here it's saying it's on the orange, but then down here it's telling me it's on the yellow. So I don't even know what the yellow means. So it's okay. Then it says competition weighted is on the orange, which is fair. Competition strength, it says very good, which is very good. So that's what the green means. It means very good, the light green. And then it says number of videos in search results. So it says 3.03 million. And then number of searches, number of monthly searches, which is 46.7. Okay, so let's use, how does SEO work for YouTube? So you can copy and paste, but clearly it says action, copy to clipboard. Okay, so those are the tags again. As you can see, SEO for beginner, SEO for optimization. So I can use that, but I don't want to. So let's type in how SEO works for YouTube. It says excellent. So it's on the green, the dark green, but it's just 84. You want to try to get 100%. So far I've been doing well 100%, but not lately, because I'm already coming up with titles. The title is ready. I just want to get straight forward, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't know that over here it says video searches, like it says video topics. You could do that, and now I'm learning. I already knew that, but I forgot about it because I've been using other SEO things. There's more than one SEO extension you could use. But yeah, it says the search volume is, well, it's in between the orange and the yellow, so I don't know. And then it says competition, which is great because it's on the dark green. Optimization strength, it's saying it's excellent, so it's on the dark green. Number of videos in search results, which is 3.0 million. So let's go back here to the video topics. It says nothing related. I want to say SEO for beginners. SEO for beginners. Oh, it says 2020, and then SEO for beginners. For beginner, a basic search engine optimization for higher Google ranking. Oh my god. So there's 2020. So let's do beginners. And let's see. I'm gonna use some of these tags. Wow. It says poor. Oh my god. So it says 10. And y'all see down here, y'all can read it. I don't need to go back and forth. Let's see 2020. It says it's fair. So it's still bad. Okay. Let's go back to the other one. I'm too lazy, so I'm just going to copy and paste. The action, I could just copy there. They're saying not to copy, but really, who has time to be like typing? I could just copy and paste, done, and get it over with. So I don't even know what the title is called. It says 61. So the SEO for beginners. Oh, because I typed in more than one. SEO for beginners, a basic. Okay, let's search now what it says. So it says 78%. So as you can see here, it's a good. The search volume is 286K, but it's still not. The other one that I did was perfect. But let's just. I don't remember what the other one is. I think it was just SEO, but let's just actually, instead of putting the acronym, let's actually break it down and put the full name, and let's see how much it gives you. Wait, every time I do this, I thought it's gonna cut, but it doesn't cut. Hold on. Wait. You know what? I don't get this. No, it's giving me the old one. That's why. Hold on, y'all. I copied and paste, and it's still giving me the old one. You know what? There we go. It says poor. Oh, really? Why is it poor? So let's see what. No, I'm just gonna do this instead of what is. Let's see what this is. It's still. This is not even fair. Oh my god. So let's type in what SEO is. Poor. Wow. I'm trying to give you guys 100%. This is 87%. What is SEO and how does it work? Let's see if I can actually break it down and actually write search engine optimization. Wow, so breaking it down doesn't even work at all. Oh my god. You know what? Let's see if I type in Tubebuddy. How SEO works on Tube. I'm probably spelling Tubebuddy wrong, right? If it don't get, how does it not get 100% when it's Tubebuddy? How to use Tubebuddy, and then it says Tubebuddy. Go figure, right? Or did I spell Tubebuddy wrong? No, I didn't. So how? I don't know. I'm trying to give you guys 100%. I want to show you what it means to get 100%. Like, I have got 100% so many times. I don't know, because I just knew how to use it. And then now I'm just like, this is what happens when you don't use Tubebuddy all the time. Poor. Wow. So let's see CEO tutorial. How to use Tubebuddy. Oh, so it gives you all the tags when I only wanted one tag. I don't know. This is weird. Tubebuddy tutorial. Let's see. Still bad. How does it... Wow. I don't know. I don't know how... Let's see another one. If this is not 100, then I don't know. Wow. How to use, oh my god. How to rank in search. How about that? How to rank in search. How to rank in search on YouTube. Because I don't get it. How? So Tubebuddy is down. So as soon as you put Tubebuddy in the thing, you're not good. Oh my god, this is bad. I feel like I should just use the one that I had 80 something. But I'm trying to give you guys 100. I don't know how to. I don't know, when it comes to these type of stuff, I really don't know how to get 100. But other topics I can. YouTube CEO. Let's see this one. It's probably gonna be. I think we searched this before. Lord Jesus. So how do you... I don't know. I feel like longer titles are the best is what I always tell people. Oh my god, the thing is 20. Let me make a next recording and come back to you guys, because it might mess up. But hold on. Yeah, hold on to that.